In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV via local channels. If you're looking to stream games broadcast by your local networks, this guide will help you find and access them easily. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers local channels like ABC, CBS, FOX, and NBC in most markets, which are key broadcasters for live football games. Start by signing up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. During sign-up or in your account settings, enter your zip code to see the available local channels in your area. Once your subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Browse the channel lineup to find the live football game being broadcast on your local affiliate. You can also use the Cloud DVR feature to record games for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV via local channels, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.